Butterfly coloration.
Camouflage.
This monarch chrysalis is blending in with the leaves. This is called camouflage. Now you see it, now you don't.
Warning!
Its bright colors tell the predator not to eat it.
It has bright colors to warn the predators.
Mimicry.
This viceroy is mimic the monarch for protection against predators.
This butterfly mimics the Archilles morpho butterfly.
Startle. This moth has spots that look like eyes to frighten predators. This is to tell predators not to eat it. Created by Ryan
Ferris
and Dion.